Hello, everybody. My name is Thomas Mejia. I am a student in the construction management program. I just began my second semester. I am originally from Wapaka, Wisconsin, and before getting into the construction management program, I actually graduated from UW-Eau Claire with a double major in Spanish and religious studies. So I suppose I couldn't get enough schooling, so now here I am. Um, I'm actually okay with it. I'm pretty content with being back in school. I really love to learn. And luckily, this is only a 2-year program, so it's perfect to kind of change the trajectory of my career. A little bit about my hobbies. I love anything outdoors. I'm an Eagle Scout, so I developed a passion for backpacking and camping. I'm a big waterfowl hunter, and I've been downhill skiing ever since I could walk. So I'm really fortunate to take a trip out west every year and really get to just enjoy the amazing slopes of the West. That's one of my favorite things in the world. Everybody has an artistic side, so I really enjoy photography, love astrophotography. That's one of my favorite types. Really like landscape photography. I also love to write music and jam out with friends, play a couple different instruments. I actually used to be an art minor in school. I'm kind of glad I didn't stick with that at UW-Eau Claire. It's really satisfying and rewarding to produce art, but it's just not that practical and not that marketable. So luckily I can enjoy artistic endeavors on the side. To keep the sword sharp, I train Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and mixed martial arts. I've really loved to train and develop that skill over the past several years. I love to wrestle and train submission grappling and fighting. A lot of my friends, I've just developed some amazing friends through that sport. I love to read. I'm a really big fan of fantasy. I love The Lord of the Rings. That's my favorite book series. I would consider myself a bit of a nerd. I wear that badge with pride. And I also really love to garden and to grow plants. I collect seeds from various plants all throughout nature, and I like to grow them. And one day I'd like to sell them as a side hustle at the farmer's market one day. So that's a little bit about me. I'm looking forward to sharpening my communication skills and to learn from you all. Thank you.